welcome for another episode at Little Adventures at Emerald Falls. So we're at Emerald Falls today. Good one, nice and
put a camera on it. See it? Come on, let's go. cool, eh?
I'm getting flies.
We're in the jungle.
It was freezing.
You ready for a swim, Madison?
Yeah.
Timmy, in there. Come on. Come.
Just water.
Come. Take his collar off and he'll probably want to go in easier.
Timmy!
Freezing?
Only a little.
There's heaps of fish in here too. I see something silver out there. See that silver thing in the water? Morning, boy.
Still flies.
Timmy's freezing his butt off. Is it cold here?
No.
A little bit. Pretty cold.
Flies everywhere.
I wonder if there's platypuses here.
What is Ethan and Mum doing now?
Bushwalking.
Colder than I remember.
No, it was colder when we were here. Yeah, I reckon.
Ethan, ice cold. Look at Timmy.
Leave him, he'll slip.
I'm even Ethan ice cold.
Are you frozen? Up the tree, come on. Timmy, here, here. Up the tree, come on Timmy, come on.
Go.
You see that dog, Ethan?
Yeah, he's a mountain guy.
He's like a mountain goat, that boy. We're going down to the little waterfall, Ethan. With Mummy and Madison. Timmy swam across the creek. He loves swimming now, that dog. Is it hard to walk in here or easy?
Very hard.
Because of the rocks. If you walk over here, it's sand. Just go slowly.
Yeah.
What you do is you put one foot in and then you feel where it's hard, where it's sand, and then when you got your foot solid, move your other foot. And then you test with that foot, feel around, make sure the rocks aren't slippery, and then move your other foot. Move one foot, test it, test it, test it. Now move your other foot. And that's how you do it. Addison, is it good? Is it like a spa? What do you reckon, Sydney?
About